Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Canon Interface Cable IFC-600PCU. Now, the connector type is a USB and a micro USB. Also, the cable type is a type A micro USB, and it is compatible with most personal computers. I use it with a HP laptop, and it's also compatible with obviously the M50. So this particular camera is the EOS M50. It's also compatible with an EOS M6, the M5, the Rebel SL3, the PowerShot G7, the PowerShot G6 Mark III, and the PowerShot G5 Mark II. Also the PowerShot SX740. So obviously it's really important to note that this is a Canon cable. I recently purchased, a few months ago, I purchased a cable that was much cheaper, but I had 10 times the problems. It kept cutting out with my computer. The quality of the video actually wasn't that great. So I decided to stop being cheap, and I went and spent the extra 2 times the money for this particular Canon cable, and I haven't had a single issue. So let this be a lesson to all of you guys that just spend a little extra money for the actual Canon cable. And this resistor or whatever this thing is in here, my last cable did not have. So this is probably one of the issues. Also, this particular cable is much thicker, and the signal quality coming from my camera to my laptop is actually much better. So let this be a lesson to you guys. Don't go cheap on your cable here. So the first thing I want to note is that there's tons of cable length that comes with this. I have it up on a stand here and up on my tripod here, and then I actually have my USB port here right in front of it, so I don't need tons of cable. But to be honest with you, there's like a 3-foot cable on here, so more than enough room than you need to get it to your USB dock or to your particular computer or laptop. I don't unplug it that often, but it's just like any micro USB here. It actually has held up. It's very, like I said, it's thicker right here and here. So I haven't had any issues with unplugging it and plugging it, and then it, going through. It hasn't gotten damaged or anything as many times as I have messed with this. So one thing that I will say is that if you guys own a Canon and you guys plan on at least connecting it to your computer, you should probably get this cable. Like I've tried the other cables, they work terribly. This is the one that you guys should probably go with. This Canon M50 works flawlessly with this cable. So if you do own a Canon M50, you gotta get this particular cable. All right, so that's gonna be it really. If you guys are looking for a cable, this is probably the one. Like all my review videos, I like it if you guys hit me with a thumbs up. And also, I have a influencer page. Make sure you guys go and follow the influencer page that I have here. I do reviews on all different types of stuff. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching another SMARTIPS product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.